toast, yeah. So we are coming in with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be done.
Well, go on. Chef Fitz in the building today again with another nice recipe. Yeah? Today we are going to prepare brown stew pork. Yeah? The real Jamaican authentic way. So stay tuned while I show you how to prepare brown stew pork. Alright?
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it.
Yo, Izzy, are you kidding me?
Toast, yeah. So we are coming in with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be done.
Alright, welcome back. So here we have some of our ground Caesar. This is our natural ground Caesar with the onion, the garlic, all of those. Over here we have our all-purpose or Maggi all-purpose. We have a little black pepper. You have one of my special that I made last night. One of my special Caesar. Yeah, if you want to know, just I will left it in my bio and you will see it. We have some paprika, and also we have some flaked chili pepper. Over here we chop up some onion, some green scallion. We have a little more garlic because you have the pork need to tenderize, so you need garlic. You have some pimento seed that will also bring out the nice taste, and we have some thyme. Alright? First we're gonna add our ground Caesar first. After we have added ground Caesar, we add our chopped Caesar. Alright. And then we're gonna massage this nicely. Nice. Massage it nicely. Good. So you rub it in, and then you're gonna add some of our grace browning. Grace browning, just about a teaspoon. You don't want to add too much because too much browning even make the meat taste bitter. So I recommend you to wear your gloves if you're afraid of pepper. So after you're rubbing this for about 2 to 3 minutes, you're gonna cover it and leave it to marinate for an hour. Normally season it from overnight, put it in the fridge, so in the morning we just take it out and cook it where the season so better and better marinate. Alright? So rub it in and then you're gonna put down to marinate for about an hour. Alright? Thank you. Alright, welcome back. So after 2 hours our meat is marinated. We have a pot over here. We're gonna add a little coconut to it, not a lot. Leave it to eat up, and after it eats up, we're gonna add our meat to it. Alright? Okay, so we're gonna add our meat to the pot. Use a fork to remove the meat and place it in the pot because you want to leave the scallion and the thyme and the onion that you chopped up, that you can use it to make back. Alright, so use you just want to throw your chopped Caesar in the pot, yes? Because remember the pork will take close to about 45 minutes to cook or more. So you just want to ensure that you put the pork in the pot from early where you can add the water to it. And then later on down in the cooking, you can add your scallion and your thyme if you season it up here, alright? Like a lot of pork, eh? Every time you see my people on cooking thing, you just see me cooking a lot of food. I'm from a big family in Jamaica. So it's like I just used to cooking this a lot of food, you know. Alright. We're gonna cover the pot and leave that to go and steam down, cook down for the next 10 minutes, and then you can start add water to it. Cook it up nicely. Alright, here it's on, and leave it to go and cook down, and afterward you can add water to it. So after 5 minutes, we're going to take a look at our pork. So a little small time. Good. And then we're going to add 2 cups of water. We're going to slow cook this on medium heat for the next 30 to 35 minutes, and then we come back and take a check at it. So we're going to slow cook it on medium heat. Alright? So after 30 minutes, we have our pork slow cooking. We can add the remainder of our season with a cup of water to it. Alright? So we're going to have that continue slow cook for another 25 minutes. Well, another 15 minutes. Kind of put your fire on medium this time. 15 minutes because your pork actually 75% cooked already. So another 15 minutes. Just slow cook it for medium cook it. And then we are gonna add a rest of season. Alright, so we're gonna add some chopped carrot with Irish to the pot now. Alright, gonna start, leave it to go and cook down. Alright, you can do a taste from here. So leave that to go and cook down for another 10-15 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna add some ketchup to it. Alright, you don't have to add ketchup to it, but for me, I like to taste the ketchup. It bring out a more authentic taste to it. But you don't have to add the ketchup. If you're not a ketchup person, you don't have to add it. Alright, so we're going to leave this to cook down for another 10 minutes. And then we share. Alright, so after 10-15 minutes, you're going to take a look at our pork now, yeah? Reached its climax, ready to share. So look, man. Whoa, looking lovely. Alright, so we're going to share now. Alright, there you have it. Our Jamaican brown stew pork served with cooked dumpling and cooked banana. Alright, they call the banana green fig. We call it in Jamaica green banana. Look at it. Looks so wonderful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video this morning, and I hope you enjoy your stew pork when you cook it. Alright, enjoy the rest of the day. I'm out.